In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Asana integration in Slack. Asana and Slack are two incredibly powerful tools used for project management and team communication. When combined, they can make your workflow seamless. Let's dive in and walk you through the setup process. First, you need to access your Asana account, so open your preferred browser and go to the Asana login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Asana account. Once you've entered your email, click on the Continue button. Next, you'll need to input your password in the designated field. After ensuring that all the information is correct, proceed by clicking the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Look for a project you'd like to integrate with Slack and click on it to open the project details. You'll find a Customize option within the project view. Click on it. This will bring up various customization possibilities. Here, locate and click on Apps, which will show you a list of available applications to integrate with Asana. In the list of apps, click on Add to initiate the integration process. Now, scroll through the available options and click on Slack. To move forward with the integration, click on Add to Project. This action is crucial as it associates Slack directly with the project you're handling in Asana. The next step is to authorize the connection between Asana and Slack. Click on Connect to Slack. At this point, a new window will pop up prompting you to allow permissions for the integration to work correctly. Click Allow Permission, and this step should redirect you to the Slack authentication page. Here, type in your Slack account email address and click Continue. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection process seamlessly. Once the connection is established, head over to your Slack application. You should see Asana listed there. Click on it to start using the integration. To create a task via Slack, click on New Chat and type in the command Asana Create, then press Enter. This command will allow you to set up a new task directly within Slack. Fill in the details for the task by typing in a name, adding it to the desired project, and selecting a due date. Additionally, you can include a description to provide more context for the task. When you're satisfied with the input, click Create to finalize setting up the task. To share the new task with your team, click on Share to Channel, followed by Share Anyway to confirm your action. You can also view the task in Asana directly from Slack by clicking View Task in Asana. For further customization, use the More Actions drop-down menu to change the assignee or explore more options. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to use the Asana integration in Slack to streamline your project management processes. Explore further to discover additional features and capabilities that these tools offer.